Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Got a little bit of an interesting one today. Got a call a couple days ago from the local radio station here in town, and they're needing some trees cut down. They're just getting a little bit too tall for the satellite dishes actually to receive the Packer game, so they can broadcast the Packer game on the radio. I guess we got a preseason game this afternoon already. It's a Saturday morning, so I said I could get here Saturday to try and lay waste to some of these trees to give clearance for the satellite, I guess. So that's what we're doing today. It's going to be a fall only, down only, no cleanup, so it should be kind of fun, and I'll take you along. We'll show you the setup when we get there. Alrighty, we're here. That's kind of what we're dealing with. These are the satellite dishes, kind of pointing up that way. So they're thinking these pines might be kind of blocking the signal. We're going to work these down and work this way. I got an oak, a couple other things to put down in there. Basically want all this down. So we'll probably be falling dozen trees or more, and we do have a couple red pines on the other side of the building for the internet to take down too. Kind of a jungle in here, but this butts up to a golf course in the back here, so I'm probably going to be ticking the poor golfers off on their morning round. Probably fell most of these. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reds will fall. This one's gonna be bones back. That'll take some wedging, but all the other ones should be pretty fair standing. Of course, we're into buckthorn here, so I might spend just a second getting this cleared out. This one is definitely leaning back, so we're gonna have to wedge it. I think we need that one to go next, for sure. Nice day. A little breeze at our back helping us. Thanks for debating just sending this one back that way. I don't think it matters. That's bones back hard. That'll take quite a bit of wedging. I do have helping wind though. So yeah, he is okay with me sending it into this hole. We're gonna hurt some oak trees though. I don't like that thought. We got a helping wind, so let's just bang it over, huh? Why not? See if we can't get it in right here. start to see fairway a hole 2. Cut it. This is actually a big black cherry tree here. Pretty nice specimen. Kind of ashamed to cut it down, but that's what I get paid to do. Might be a little elm back there. Bunch of red pines through here. That's a elm, all right. Gotta put that oak down first, I think. That one's gotta go, so we gotta do that one first. This arm's gonna catch in that oak anyway, so we may as well avoid collision if we can. There's likely to be dirt and junk in here, so we'll cut the high stump. This tree's leaning that way, which would probably be okay if it went that way. I think I'm going to try turning it a little bit this way. We got one wrecked, dead larch there, so I'm not concerned about that. I don't even know if it'll get there. just haven't been keeping count. I don't know how many that is. 6, 7, 8-ish. This tree's dying anyways. Spindly at the top. How are we getting out of here now? Carnage. Alright, so we're going after one more. They do want this leaning white oak down. Send that down, and then they've got the guy here that'll test the signal. And then we might be cutting more reds down this way too. So they've got the guy here, he's gonna test the signal now that those are down. While they're doing that, I'm gonna fall a couple of these reds over here. This is for their internet, just to kind of keep it clear. I think he was saying just these two. Just put those right down the hill. cut. That wind's fighting me now.
Yeah.
Holding it up. There it goes. Expensive running this thing. That's probably going to do it for me on this job. They were setting up. I don't know if we accomplished anything or not. I'll get the word from the owner here shortly. And if I need to come back, I'll go back on Monday. Like I said, it's Saturday today. So if I do go back Monday, I'll put that in the end of this video and show you following that. Otherwise, that's going to do it for this one, at least for today. I do appreciate you checking it out, hanging out with me. Catch you on the next one.